In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and understand your email campaign report in MailChimp. To get started, open your MailChimp account and sign in to your dashboard. Once you're inside, take a moment to get familiar with the main navigation area, because this is where you'll access the reporting section for your email campaigns. Next, click on Campaigns. This area contains the emails and marketing campaigns you've created and sent. After that, click on All Campaigns so you can see the full list of your available campaigns in one place. This is helpful if you send emails regularly and want to compare different results over time. From the list, select the specific campaign you want to review. Once you open it, MailChimp will display the campaign report. This report gives you a quick summary of how your email performed and helps you understand how your audience responded. One of the main things you'll see is the click rate. The click rate shows how many people clicked on links inside your email. This is especially useful because it tells you whether your content encouraged readers to take action. If your click rate is strong, it usually means your message, links, or call to action connected well with your audience. You'll also see the bounce rate. The bounce rate tells you how many emails could not be delivered. In general, a higher bounce rate may suggest that some email addresses are no longer valid, or that there may be issues with deliverability. Monitoring this number can help you keep your audience list healthier over time. Another important metric is the unsubscribe rate. This shows how many recipients chose to stop receiving your emails after that campaign. A small number of unsubscribes is normal, but it's still a useful signal. It can help you understand whether your content is relevant, whether you're emailing too often, or whether your audience expectations match what you're sending. As you review the report, feel free to explore and look through the available details. MailChimp reports are designed to give you insight into how your campaign performed, and spending a little time with these numbers can help you improve future emails. The more often you review your reports, the easier it becomes to spot patterns and make better decisions about your email content. That's it. Once you know where to find your campaign report and how to read the key metrics, you'll be in a much better position to evaluate your email performance in MailChimp.